Let's install and assemble the RYOBI link wall storage system. To start, you'll need these materials. At your desired location, use the stud finder to mark 3 studs. Then, align the wall rails over the studs and mark all 6 mounting points. Drill pilot holes for your screws using a 1/8 inch bit. Then, screw your rail to the wall. If you only have 2 studs available, number 10 drywall anchors can replace 1 stud on each end for reinforcement. Drill the pilot holes for the number 10 drywall anchors with the corresponding drill bit, and install the anchors on each end. Then, fasten the rail into the installed drywall anchors. Drill pilot holes through the installation channels directly into the 2 available studs. Fasten the rail to the wall. Use the tabs to align additional wall rails left, right, above, and below. Customize your wall with hooks, bins, and toolboxes. Organize, access, transport. RYOBI Link Modular Storage System. RYOBI Link, exclusively at the Home Depot.